on, bro. Here is just Jack. Jack, an accomplished golfer with an agreeable wife, moved to Southern California to pursue his dream of the perfect retirement year-round golf. He joined several golf groups and played 4 or 5 times a week, sometimes 6 if an out-of-town friend showed up unexpectedly. Loving the challenging of imposing his score, the camaraderie, new golf course, and socializing at the 19th hole. He was very happy. His wife had her own interest and did not hassle him about jobs around the house unless there was something serious like a leaky dishwasher. 2 years later, when I visited Jack, our conversations tuned to retirement with a pensive experience on his face. He shifted into his philosophical mode. You know, Paul, he confessed, I never believed it could happen, but I'm tired of golf. You have got to be kidding. No, I'm serious. He continued, golf has lost its attraction. I reached my peak about a year ago, and then my game just seemed to fall apart. I even took some lessons, which helped a while. My game is up 1 week and down the next, but after thinking about it, I really realized it's not just that I can't improve my game, it's mostly in my head. It took me a long time to admit to myself that I am actually bored with golf. It has no excitement or challenging for me anymore. Is there such a thing as a burnout golfer? We kicked that question around without arriving at the answer, and finally I asked, now what are you going to do in your place of golf? He reveled a bit, and it was obvious that he had not solved the problem. Jack had never developed any interest outside of the golf, nothing that seemed important and meaningful. He had previously thought of retirement only in terms of play. Now he is having to sort out his feeling and search for something else. This is not an isolated case. I found others who launched into retirement Brad 8 and Bussy dealt with the feeling that happiness and unending recreation were synonymous. After a year or two of nothing but fun and game, disillusionment descended by them like a black sword. Play is great and highly recommended it, but most people need both play and something else. All play is a little like too much candy. Life tends to lose its flavor and become meaningless. People without a purpose begin to ask, is this all there is? These are the ones who have not discovered what really important or what it is that make life meaningful and fulfilling, nor have they learned to think of later year as a time of mental and spiritual growth to enrich their lives. So it seems that in retirement we can either soar to the heights of new adventure and growth, or crash like a reputed hot air balloon. How can we assure ourselves of the former? Okay, bro.